Owing money to the IRS can feel like drowning in debt you'll never escape. But what if I told you there are legal strategies that could help you settle that debt for less or even pause collections altogether? By the end of this video, you'll learn how to reduce your tax debt legally, stop aggressive IRS collection action, and take back control of your finances without drowning in penalties or fear. Pietro Canestrelli. I used to work as an IRS attorney in Washington, D.C., so I've seen firsthand how the IRS operates. If you're dealing with tax issues and need guidance from someone who understands the system, give me a call at 951-319-7674 for a free consultation. Let's start with one of the most powerful but misunderstood options, the Offer in Compromise, or OIC. This is a legal agreement where the IRS accepts less than the full amount that you owe. But make no mistake, this isn't a magic wand. The IRS doesn't hand out discounts easily. They evaluate your entire financial picture, income, expenses, assets, equity, and your ability to pay. And if they believe you can't realistically pay your full balance, they may agree to sell. The key is building a strong case. It's not just about showing you're broke. It's about presenting your financial situation clearly, accurately, and convincingly. That's where having a tax attorney makes all the difference. We know how to position your application the right way and avoid the mistakes that cause most offer in compromises to get rejected. Done correctly, an OIC can save you tens of thousands of dollars and bring peace of mind that no collection agent ever could. If you don't qualify for a settlement or don't want to go through that process, another powerful tool is an installment agreement. This is a structured payment plan that allows you to pay your tax debt over time in manageable monthly installments. There are different types of installment agreements, including guaranteed, streamlined, and non-streamlined, depending on how much you owe and your financial profile. For debts under $10,000, approval is typically automatic, but even if you owe more, the IRS often prefers getting paid gradually rather than not at all. The challenge is negotiating terms that don't put you deeper into financial stress. That's where professional representation can help you protect your cash flow, minimize penalties, and make sure your agreement fits your situation, not the IRS's. Now, let's say your situation is even more severe. Maybe you've lost a job, your business collapsed, or you're dealing with medical hardship. You might qualify for currently not collectible status, which temporarily halts all IRS collection action. That means no more wage garnishments, no bank levies, and no harassing letters while you're in that status. The IRS reviews your income and expenses and determines you can't pay anything right now without causing financial hardship. While this doesn't erase your debt, it buys you critical time. And in some cases, the statute of limitations on collections may expire before the IRS can collect in full. But you have to apply correctly with documented proof or you risk being denied. And sometimes the IRS gets it wrong. Sometimes maybe they assessed you based on faulty information. Maybe they're demanding penalties that don't apply. Or maybe they ignored evidence you provided. That's where the appeals process comes in. As a former IRS attorney, I could tell you this is one of the most powerful tools most taxpayers overlook. You have the right to dispute assessments, penalties, or even denied settlements. But there's a process and you need to follow it exactly. Appeals can happen before or after collection begins. And if you're strategic, you can use them to reduce your balance, remove penalties, or even get a better payment plan than the one originally offered. Whether you're settling your debt, negotiating a payment plan, or fighting a penalty, you need someone who knows how to navigate the IRS from the inside out. Too many people try to do it alone, and it ends up costing them far more. The IRS doesn't explain your full rights. They don't tell you what strategies might work better. And once you're in the system, it's it's hard to backtrack if you make the wrong move. With experienced representation, you not only protect your finances, you protect your future. If you're struggling with tax debt or even just feeling overwhelmed by what you might owe, don't try to figure it out alone. Schedule a free consultation with the law office of Pietro Canestrelli today at 951-319-7674. We'll review your case, walk you through your best options, and help you take control of your situation before it spirals further. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and check out other videos.